Value is not something you demand. It is something you command. A woman does not value a man because he asks her to, begs for it, or proves himself. She values him because he embodies qualities that make her respect, admire, and desire him. Most men make the mistake of giving too much, seeking approval, or placing a woman above themselves, hoping she will see their worth. But the Stoics understood that respect and value come from self-mastery, not external validation. Marcus Aurelius wrote, "If you are distressed by anything external, the pain is not due to the thing itself, but to your estimate of it. If you feel undervalued, it is because you have allowed yourself to be." Here's how to make a woman see your worth and value you deeply, without chasing, begging, or proving yourself. 1. Make yourself the prize. Stop acting like you need her approval. Most men fail before they even start because they seek validation. The moment a woman senses that you are desperate for her approval, her respect for you drops. High-value men do not seek validation. They provide it. Seneca wrote, "The greatest wealth is a poverty of desires. A man who needs nothing from a woman is the one she values the most." Why this works? Women respect men who have options but choose wisely. If you act like a prize, she will treat you like one. The moment you stop seeking her approval, she starts seeking yours. How to apply it? Stop over-pursuing. Let her invest in you as much as you invest in her. Make your standards clear. You don't just want a woman, you want a high-quality one. Be willing to walk away. A man who is afraid of losing a woman has already lost her respect. A Stoic reminder: if you act like she is above you, she will believe it. 2. Set boundaries and enforce them without hesitation. Many men set boundaries but fail to enforce them, which instantly makes a woman lose respect. If you allow disrespect, flakiness, or bad behavior without consequence, she learns that your words mean nothing. Epictetus taught, "Don't explain your philosophy, embody it." Boundaries are not about words, they are about action. Why this works? A man who tolerates disrespect will be tested more. Women admire men who stand firm and don't bend under pressure. A man who values himself walks away when his standards are violated. How to apply it? Say what you mean and mean what you say. If she crosses a boundary, follow through with consequences. Never argue about your standards. If she doesn't respect them, she isn't the right woman for you. If she pulls away, do not chase. Distance yourself and let her feel the loss. A Stoic reminder: if you don't respect your own boundaries, neither will she. 3. Be a man of few words. Let your actions speak for you. Weak men talk too much, over-explain, and seek reassurance. Strong men speak with precision and let their presence command attention. Marcus Aurelius wrote, "Waste no more time arguing what a good man should be. Be one." A man who needs to explain himself constantly is a man who lacks presence and certainty. Why this works? Women value men who are not easily rattled. Mystery creates attraction, oversharing destroys it. A man who is deliberate with his words commands more respect. How to apply it? When she challenges you, remain calm and direct. Example: if she asks, "Why are you so confident?" respond with, "Because I trust myself." Never try to convince her of your value. Let her see it through your actions. Use silence as a tool. When you say less, people listen more. A Stoic reminder: the more you speak, the more you dilute your power. 4th, stop overgiving. Make her earn your time and attention. Most men give too much too soon, hoping to win her over. They offer time, effort, gifts, and affection without requiring anything in return. But high-value men make women earn their investment. Seneca wrote, "The abundance of a thing makes it cheap." If you give too much too easily, she will assume you have no value. Why this works? People value what they work for. If you overgive, she will expect it rather than appreciate it. When you make her invest in you, she values you more. How to apply it? Match her effort, never exceed it. If she texts one sentence, don't send a paragraph. Do not try to impress her with gifts, compliments, or favors. Let her impress you. Give your time and attention in proportion to what she earns. If she stops investing, so do you. A Stoic reminder: a woman values what she must work for, so stop giving everything for free. 5. Be willing to walk away. Scarcity creates value. The most powerful strategy to make a woman value you deeply is the ability to walk away if your standards are not met. Most men fail because they cling, chase, and fear losing her, giving her all the power. Epictetus wrote, "He who is controlled by his desires is not free." A man who fears losing a woman will always be controlled by her. But a man who is willing to walk away has ultimate power. Why this works? The moment you stop fearing loss, you gain control. Women respect men who hold their ground. If she knows she can't manipulate you, she will value you more. How to apply it? If she plays games, step back, let her feel your absence, and never reward bad behavior. If she disrespects you, be ready to leave. Live with an abundance mindset. There are millions of women. Scarcity is an illusion. A Stoic reminder: the most attractive man is the one who fears nothing, not even losing her. 6. Build a life so strong that she wants to be a part of it. Weak men build their life around a woman. Strong men build a life so fulfilling that a woman wants to be a part of it. A man who has a compelling vision, ambitious goals, and strong passions is not just attractive, he is irreplaceable. Seneca wrote, "A happy life is one which is in accordance with its own nature." If your life is already full of meaning, growth, and excitement, you do not need to seek validation from a woman. She will seek entry into your world. Why this works? Women want to join an exciting life, not become the center of it. A man with a strong purpose is never desperate or needy. If you focus on building yourself first, the right women will naturally appear. How to apply it? Pursue personal excellence. Your mission comes first. Fill your life with growth, challenge, and meaning so that she wants to be part of your journey. Never drop your goals, ambitions, or standards for a woman. She must fit into your frame, not the other way around. A Stoic reminder: a king does not seek a queen. He builds a kingdom, and the queen finds him. 7. Maintain emotional stability. Never let her control your mood. The moment a woman realizes she can control your emotions, she loses respect for you. Women test men constantly, not because they are cruel, but because they want to see if you are truly strong. Marcus Aurelius wrote, "You have power over your mind, not outside events. Realize this, and you will find strength." A man who remains calm, collected, and unshaken under pressure is a man she cannot control but deeply respects. Why this works? Women subconsciously test men to see if they are emotionally strong. If she controls your mood, she controls you. The most attractive men remain calm, steady, and composed no matter what happens. How to apply it? Never argue emotionally. Logic and silence are your best weapons. If she pulls away, remain indifferent. Your world does not revolve around her. When she tries to trigger a reaction, smile and stay calm. This makes her respect you more. A Stoic reminder: a man who is emotionally unshaken is a man she cannot ignore. 8. Stop being overly available. Make your time scarce. Women do not value what is always accessible. If you are always available, eager, and ready to please, she will take you for granted. Seneca wrote, "It is not that we have a short time to live, but that we waste much of it." Time is your most valuable asset. If you give it away freely, she will not respect it. Why this works? Scarcity creates desire. What is rare is valued. The more effort she has to put in to get your attention, the more she respects it. Being less available signals confidence, ambition, and purpose. How to apply it? Make her earn your time. Never give it away freely. Have a busy, fulfilling life so you don't always reply instantly. If she disrespects your time, withdraw access to it. A Stoic reminder: time is your most valuable asset. Do not give it to those who do not deserve it. 9. Stay mysterious. Make her work to understand you. Most men tell women everything about themselves too soon, hoping to create connection. But true attraction is built on curiosity, mystery, and intrigue. Marcus Aurelius advised, "He who lives in harmony with himself lives in harmony with the universe." A man who does not overshare, remains composed, and keeps his personal life selectively private creates a magnetic aura of mystery. Why this works? Women are drawn to what they don't fully understand. When you reveal everything too soon, you become predictable and boring. Mystery forces a woman to chase for more access. How to apply it? Be selective with what you share. Let her earn access to your deeper thoughts and experiences. When she asks personal questions, answer just enough to create intrigue. Keep certain parts of your life private. Women are drawn to men who have layers. A Stoic reminder, what is revealed too soon loses its value. Make her work to know you. 10. Develop an I can walk away at any moment mindset. The ultimate power move. Never fear losing her. The moment a woman realizes that you are not dependent on her, she sees you as a man who is truly valuable. Epictetus taught, freedom is the only worthy goal in life. It is won by disregarding things that lie beyond our control. The man who fears nothing, including loss, holds all the power. Why this works? A man who can walk away at any moment is a man who is truly free. Women chase what they feel they can't fully have. The man who is not afraid to lose her is the man she values the most. How to apply it? Detach emotionally from outcomes. Value yourself first. If she disrespects you, step back immediately without explaining. Live with an abundance mindset. If she leaves, someone better will take her place. A Stoic reminder, the most valuable men are those who fear nothing, not even losing her. Final thoughts. You do not demand value, you command it. A woman does not value a man because he tells her to. She values him because he embodies strength, purpose, and self-mastery. The key to making her respect, admire, and desire you is simple. Stop chasing, stop proving, and start becoming. The 10 steps to making her value. You make yourself the prize. Stop acting like you need her approval. Set boundaries and enforce them without hesitation. Be a man of few words. Let your actions speak for you. Stop overgiving. Make her earn your time and attention. Be willing to walk away. Scarcity creates value. Build a life so strong that she wants to be a part of it. Maintain emotional stability. Never let her control your mood. Stop being overly available. Make your time scarce. Stay mysterious. Make her work to understand you. Develop an I can walk away at any moment mindset. Marcus Aurelius reminds us, a man's worth is no greater than his ambitions. If you want to be valued, respected, and desired, do not ask for it, embody it. The moment you stop seeking, start leading, and enforce your worth, she will see you as a man who cannot be replaced.